Hey my loves, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today we're going to be making jerk chicken Rasta pasta. All the ingredients will be listed down below in the description box. Let's get to this video. So first you want to make sure you clean your chicken and make sure you pat it dry. And now we're just going to drizzle a little bit of olive oil and we're just going to rub that in. So now what you want to do is you want to get your jerk seasoning. I'm using hot and spicy. If you don't like stuff really spicy, I would recommend getting the mild. I'm just using a generous amount of my jerk seasoning. You want to make sure you rub that jerk seasoning in to your chicken so it gets marinated on both sides. So now everything is all rubbed together. You want to get you a Ziploc bag and put your chicken in a Ziploc bag. And you also want to use some fresh thyme and put that in there with your chicken so it can marinate. I'm going to let it marinate for an hour. So now you want to chop up your vegetables. I'm using a red bell pepper. You can use a green bell pepper, or orange one, or a yellow one. I didn't want to have all those peppers in my pasta, but you can do what you want. So now after my water has been boiling, I'm going to add in my pasta. Make sure you add salt to your water. So now I'm just going to drizzle a little bit of olive oil in my cast iron skillet. And I'm going to let that warm up. I have my temperature on a high heat. So now that my pan has been heating up, I'm going to place my chicken breast into the pan. And I'm also going to lower my temperature to a medium heat. I'm going to let it cook for 4 to 5 minutes. And then I'm going to flip it. And then I'm going to lower my temperature to low heat. And then I'm just going to let it cook until it's done. So now once your chicken is cooked all the way through, you want to remove your chicken from the pan. Make sure you check on your noodles. You don't want to overcook them. So now what you want to do is put your vegetables in that same pan that you cook your chicken breast in and just saute them. So now that my vegetables been sauteing for a little bit, I'm going to add in some minced garlic. But make sure you add that in last because garlic does burn. So now I'm just going to cut up my chicken. I'm not cutting up my chicken on a cutting board because I want the juices from the chicken to rest on the plate so then I can pour that right into my sauce. So what you're going to want to do is you want to save some of your chicken that you're cutting up. Some's going to go into the pasta and some's going to go on top of your pasta. So now I'm just going to pour in some heavy whipping cream into that same pan. I used the whole carton. You don't have to use heavy whipping cream. You can use half and half. And you want to let it cook for 4 to 5 minutes until your sauce starts bubbling. And then once it starts bubbling, I turned my heat down on low and I start adding in my cheeses. Now I'm using Parmesan cheese and mozzarella, but you can use whatever cheese you want. It's your pasta. You also want to use a generous amount of cheese. You know, I don't measure. I eyeball everything. But you want to put enough cheese to your liking. So now everything's nice and incorporated. Now I just added a little more seasoning for my liking. You don't have to, but just taste it to see if you need to add anything. And then you just want to mix it up and then you're ready to add in your pasta. Now you just want to mix that all around and make sure all the noodles gets coated. And then you want to add in your chicken that you chopped up, but make sure you leave some to the side. Yo, I wish y'all can smell this. Oh my god, it smells so good. And now to the best part. It's time to plate. So now you want to add that chicken I told you to put to the side on top of your pasta. Guys, I wish you guys could smell this. Oh my god, it smells so good and it looks so good and it tasted so good. Well, there you have it, jerk chicken Rasta pasta. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Be sure to like, comment, share, and subscribe, and I hope to see you in my next video.